In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Themes app and tapping on Trending or Category at the bottom to pick a perfect theme for you. When you find it, click on it, select Download at the bottom, and hit Apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by accessing the same app, selecting Me at the bottom right corner, and clicking Local Themes. Then select one of your default themes, click on the perfect one, hit Apply, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!